Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So one of the questions that we get asked is, why are oil changes so expensive? Especially if I'm driving like a European vehicle, like a Volkswagen or BMW, Jaguar, or maybe a Dodge Diesel. So the fact of the matter is I'd like to ask you a question. Why are eggs so expensive? Crack that. Anyhow, everything's going up. It costs more money to transport, more money to refine this, more money for labor to refine the oil, more money to get the oil out of the ground. Because of emissions, vehicles are having different specs. That's why there's so many different weights of oil. The newer Dodge diesels use a 5W40 oil. Other trucks use a 15W40, 0W20, 520, 530. There's all kinds of different weights. So the truth of the matter is oils continue to get more expensive because their job becomes more and more critical. There's so many components inside the engine that require oil to be very thin, and so it's very important to run the right viscosity of oil in your vehicle because there's screens in there, there's cam phasers, there's all kinds of things in there that that have to do with the operation, mostly for the timing and emissions of your vehicle and the fuel efficiency. So it's very important, just if it says to use 520, then use 520. I've literally had vehicles in the shop that was supposed to have 520 and they run a heavier oil because they was old school, so they dumped 10W30 in it, and then they're wondering why their vehicle is coming in on a wrecker and it won't run. And in the case that I'm referencing in my mind, she'd actually burned her engine up by having the wrong oil in it because the oil was too thick for the cam phasers on that car. So damage was done to the engine, and it was unfortunate. It was just very unfortunate for her because she didn't have the money to replace the car or the engine. So just because the 10W30 was the cheapest oil on the shelf does not mean it was the cheapest decision to make. So use whatever the manufacturer recommends. Weight-wise, we use BG oil, and we also use we have a more economical version, but it's Dexos friendly. It's a high quality oil that we use on all of our standard oil changes. So oil changes here start at $59.99 and go up depending on what additives we do and what kind of vehicle you got and what kind of oil we have to use and what weight of oil we have to use. And so that's a lot of complicated things in a very short video. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, get back to me on the eggs. Remember the eggs. Why are eggs so expensive? And orange juice. Orange juice yesterday, $9 a gallon in the store. Crazy. See you in the next video.